Hi guys! Sagana pa kayo ng affordable na flower shop dito sa South? Dito lamang yan sa Evelina's Flower Shop and this is located in Alabang, Montellana Bridge, Muntinlupa City. For as low as 250 pesos only, meron ka ng magandang bouquet dito. And yung mga sunflower na ganito is 500 pesos only. And yung lahat naka-display dyan is 500 lang sis. And dahil malapit na nga ang November, pwede rin kayong bumili dito for the affordable price. Of course, they are also offering yung mga dried flowers, roses, and any kind of flowers na pwede nyo i-request. At sila yung magpa-flower arrangement sa inyo, no? Mamimili lang kayo ng colors, then yung mga flowers, then ayun, grabe, good to go yan. So kung gusto nyo bilhan yung mga family nyo, loved ones, friends, nako, puntahan nyo na tong Evelyn's Flower Shop dito sa Alabang. And yung one thing talaga na nagustuhan ko dito is kahit peak season guys, hindi sila sobrang nagtataas ng presyo. Talagang